Hi, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 Accessories, and today I'm here to show you the Armour Bar fitted to this Ford Raptor. The Armour Bar is one of the first products we've made that's specifically designed to improve the aesthetics of your vehicle, and I think we've done a really good job. What you're going to first notice is that the Armour Bar is actually designed in a manner where the rear legs start towards the middle of the front legs and then curve their way out all the way to the back. That design aspect is something that gives it more individuality. It looks really nice. It allows for a really nice insert plate here with some cool branding as well. And of course, gives you a really good ability to mount things directly on top because you have more of a flatter point where the curve is. So you can mount your spotlights or your beacon lights or whatever it is that you want to with simplicity. The second thing is, from a looks perspective, is that because the whole thing is made from alloy, you have no welding marks, which you've probably seen in a lot of sports bars. The welding marks are kind of rough. They're not going to look as nice, and for such a nice car, you don't want to have something that's going to have those imperfections. So no welding points looks really good on this. It's also got a premium powder coat on it, and that powder coat is actually a satin black finish, which is the in-between of a matte and a gloss. It actually goes well with almost every single car, especially vehicles now that have a lot of black features, such as this Raptor here. So you can see the link between these fender flares and the sports bar themselves are really, really nice. And it almost looks like it was meant to be on the car as a standard. Another great feature of the Armour Bar is actually the material it's made of. So as I mentioned, it's alloy, but the really good thing about alloy, in addition to what I've mentioned already, is that it's light in weight. So your GVM of your vehicle isn't going to be as affected. I think the whole thing weighs about 11 kilos or something, which is about half the weight of most, reputable extended sports bars that are out there on the market. The other good thing about alloy is that it doesn't have iron properties. So without iron, you're not really going to see any of that rust that you might see over time on other sports bars out there on the market. So that's a really, really cool benefit. Now, you see this one is mounted directly to the roll art cover Series 3. However, if you don't want the roll top, or if that's not the look you're going for, this does mount directly to the vehicle tub. So it's a really simple fit. It'll go directly to the vehicle tub, and of course you have that option to easily mount it to our roll art cover as well. So that's the Armour Bar, a fully functional, aesthetically pleasing sports bar designed for your Ford Ranger and Raptor. For more information, please feel free to visit www.hsputilids.com or follow us on any of our social media at HSP4x4.